Hi everybody, it's Conrad English. Knowing English is really important in your life, so I decided to make a short videos and long videos about English. The short videos you can watch in my channel already, but let's go with the very basics, the English alphabet. By the end of this video, you're gonna learn 52 new words for your vocabulary. Let's do it. We'll start with the letter A. Apple. Air. B. Bridge. Bank. C. Crown. Circle. D. Diamond. Dialogue. E. Equal. Evening. F. Fuel. Furniture. G. Grammy. Gorgeous. H. Home. Hipster. I. Island. iPhone. J. Jump. Jeans. K. Kettle. Kitchen. L. Lipstick. Land. M. Moon. Mother. N. North. Noise. O. Opera. Outside. P. Pancake. Parents. Q. Quarter. Q. R. Ring. Real. S. South. Song. T. Today. Teenager. U. University. Ultimate. V. Viking. Video. W. West. World. X. Xbox. Xiaomi. Y. Youth. Young. Z. Zip code. Zoom. That's all for now. 26 letters, 52 words. Now you know a lot more. Keep learning languages. They are making your life much easier and more fun. See you later.